Alright, let's make a quick video on how to solve the matrix equation. A typical exam question would be to give you a matrix A and a vector B, and then they want you to solve this equation. What does this mean? Well, it means they want you to find all vectors x such that this is true. Numerically, what we're looking at is this equation. We're trying to find x1, x2, and x3 such that this is true. How do we do this? Well, step one would be to create your augmented matrix. And the way you do this is you're going to take the entries in A, all of them, copy, and paste them on your paper. And then you're going to go ahead and take the entries of B, and likewise paste them to create a new matrix. This is a bigger matrix. Now, some authors like to put a bar here to distinguish the entries from the left and the entries from the right. The next step would be to apply your row operations to get it into reduced row echelon form. We're not going to do this on this video, but after you do this, what you're going to get is this matrix. On the left, it's actually going to be the identity matrix. And on the right, you're going to get 0, -3, and 1. You then want to be able to interpret your answer, and what you get is that x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to -3, and x3 is equal to 1. So your solution here in vector form is going to be 0, -3, 1. What this means for the original question, let us go ahead and focus our attention on the top left. What this means is that if you go ahead and replace x1, x2, and x3 with 0, -3, and 1, this is going to be true. You go ahead and multiply A to the vector 0, -3, and 1, and at the end of the day, you're going to get the vector -2, 2, and 9. This also tells you that there's a unique solution. We know that there's a unique solution because we have a pivot in every column of A. Thank you for joining us.